Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing video. After a very long time, I finally am able to do another unboxing video. Now, for the past year, the primary camera I've used on this channel has been this iPhone 14 Pro. And it's been kind of mixed between what device I use, because my main daily driver phone for the past 2 years, from March 2023 to March 2025, was actually this iPhone 13. This was my primary daily driver. I shot probably about 200 or so videos on this phone, and I probably shot about, give or take, about 300 videos on this phone. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I bought this as like a secondary phone, and it ended up being my daily driver for a minute. I also used a Pixel for a minute, but that broke recently and I sold that. But I've been dying to upgrade this 14 Pro for a long time, and I wanted a true replacement to my old iPhone 13. I normally don't do unboxings of new phones, but since for once I didn't buy it directly through a carrier and I bought it brand new, I could show you my lovely new purchase I made at the Apple Store at the Summit Mall. Let's take it out. Introducing my new primary phone and primary camera for this channel, the iPhone 17. This phone truly is the phone I've been waiting for. As much as I prefer Android software-wise personally, there are things about iPhones and Apple that I can't leave and I can't live without. The regular viewers of the channel know I have an Apple Watch, but I also, behind the scenes, even though I don't mention it much, edit all of my videos, about 90% of the videos on this channel specifically, using my iPad mini. Ever since May, this has been my main editing device for this channel. I use it for other things too, but that's what I have mostly used it for. I also use it for like scripting videos for other YouTube channels and planning and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and unbox my brand new iPhone 17. Here is the box itself. There's one side of the box. There's the other side of the box. My lighting is going all crazy here. There we go. Now, go ahead and zoom in a little bit. I'll show you this part of the top of the box because the bottom part has my serial number and I don't need to show that. I don't want to show that. Don't need y'all seeing that. But the rest of the box has Apple logos across it. And yeah. So with that being said, I'm going to pull the bottom tab off camera since my serial number is down there. There's no turning back now. You'd have to forgive me, my angle is not great. I'm filming on an old backup camera right now that I don't use very often. And I wasn't planning on doing an unboxing, but I was like, it's been a long time, so why not? So I'm going to go sideways with this. There's no turning back now. 3, 2, 1. If it comes up smooth. There we go. There it is. My brand new iPhone 17. It's now got my fingerprints on it. This is my brand new phone. The frosted back glass is so nice. It's like my old 14 Pro. Now, comparing this to, well, here, let's finish the unboxing because there isn't much. There's a quick start guide pamphlet down here, and then just a USB-C cable that will probably live in the box for a little bit. But moving this out of the way, we will now take a look at the phone itself. And wow, this thing is nice. I love this mist blue color. I got it in 256 gigabytes because that's what I had the 14 Pro and the 13 in before. Wow, this thing looks nice. Here's this side of the phone. I'm going to have to get used to not having the mute switch. It's the action button now. You got the volume buttons too. I'm trying to very gently touch this thing right now. It's got the new camera control button, which I don't know if I'm going to use this much, but still. And then there's the power button. There's the top of the phone. And here's the bottom, which has my favorite upgrade to this phone, which was one of my favorite features about the Pixel. USB-C. Can finally retire my lightning cable. I know y'all want me to do the seal, so there she is. There's this beautiful screen, and you can see the crappy old camera I'm using right now to film this and my janky setup. But yeah, I'm gonna put this back on here just for a minute because I'm not gonna turn this on yet. I want to wait till my case gets here to actually set this thing up. I'm gonna set it up off camera. But nevertheless, comparing it size-wise to my old broken iPhone 13, I only stopped using this phone because it died on me. I would have still been using it otherwise, but it died on me, so that's why I actually switched to the Pixel for a minute. The 17 is ever so slightly larger, but not by much. It's just taller. That's the big thing. It's like slightly taller. If I have it lined up exactly here, you could see it's ever so slightly taller. I don't like the plus size phones, so I'm cool with this. And then the mute switch versus the action button. And then I'll take my 14 Pro out of the case so we can compare it to that too. But this phone also has the frosted glass back. It's a little dirty right now, but comparing these two, the weight difference between this and this is the main reason I went for the base model this year instead of the Pro. Also because I don't really use all the features about the Pro. I didn't really use the telephoto lens much. The only thing I really cared about was the screen. Sure, the reflective sides are interesting, but I'd rather just have it be flush and like not reflective. Also, how this phone is more curved, I like that. I miss my iPhone 11 with how curved that phone was, but still. Size-wise, the 14 Pro is just slightly smaller. Not by much, but slightly. But yeah, that was the unboxing of my new iPhone 17. I'm also going to include a test video of its camera so we can see how it performs. I'll do a baseline comparison comparing it to my 14 Pro just because this crappy JVC camcorder is not going to compare to this. This is so much worse and this will look 10 times better. I want to compare these two specifically. The cameras are very similar on these. So thank you for watching the unboxing, and yeah. Okay, I am currently on the 14 Pro. I don't know why I said I was going to switch to this before doing the test video of the new phone. This unboxing was recorded a while back. I've now used this phone for over a month now, just about 2 months by the time you are seeing the unboxing video once it's released. And yeah, so far I've been really enjoying this phone, and I think the camera quality on it's great. And as a phone itself, I'm really enjoying it. But let's head over to ride a glass elevator to really test this thing to its limits. Okay, here we are doing the video sample of my iPhone 17. Now normally, I do this on the Cleveland Clinic parking garage elevator. Unfortunately, they started locking that elevator up past 7 p.m. So instead, because I'm insistent on using a glass elevator for these test videos, here we are at the Embassy Suites here in Independence, Ohio. And we're gonna do my iPhone 17 sample video on these elevators. There is a car that's sitting right here, but I don't think it's running. And then that one was acting all weird on my way up. We're gonna go ahead and switch to the ultra wide because that's what I primarily film with. We're most likely going to get the center car, because the one there just stopped on me on 4 as it was going up. So with the doors open, and then all the buttons just stopped working. I don't know why, but here we go. We got some ThyssenKrupp impulse elevators. Let's get a cab view. Very nice elevators. And they got music in them, so I'm gonna have to talk. There's your ADA compliant phone. We'll look out the window on the way down. We're stopping on 3. Going down?
Yes, please. Thank
Going
you.
to the lobby?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Here you go. You have a good night.
Thanks, you too.
Going up. Which one you heading to? 4.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. No certificate.
Certificate.
I'm just doing a video of the elevator. You have a good one.
You too, man.
Thank you. You going up?
Oh, no, I'm going down.
Alright, this is going up.
Oh, okay. I'll just wait for that.
Alright. Got 3,000 pound capacity. This hotel easily has the coolest atrium I've ever seen in a hotel. I don't know, I've seen some cool ones, but this is by far one of the coolest. I'll get off for a minute and let it go down so that way they can use it. Go ahead and just take a quick look around for a minute while I call it back up. I think the other one I think is working again. I think it's down at the lobby. Yeah, there's one just sitting right there. I don't think it works. Yeah, take a look at this awesome atrium. I'd love to show you it from the other side, but by the time I get over there, the elevator's probably already going to be back on its way up, so I'll show it to you from over here so you can see it going. It's a little bit of a stabilization test here too. Look at this atrium, this is sick. Very cool atrium. There's people in the elevator there. Very nice hotel. We will go ahead and start walking back over here in a second to watch the elevator go up. Alright, just got to 7, so I have enough time to walk back over. I'll try to do another round trip. Here it is. Yeah, again, very nice elevator. As much as the music in here is a copyright risk, it adds a ton of character to this elevator, so I don't mind it. Look out the window again. We're gonna keep stopping just because it's the only car running. Come down?
Yep.
Which one? Lobby?
Yep. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Going down. What are you looking for, bud?
My charger.
Is it in your car?
No, it's.
Oh, did you forget it down here? Yeah. Just have an interest in elevators, that's all.
You're good, brother.
You have a good one. You too. Right back up to 8. Watch the number change till we get to 2. Very nice elevators. All right, we'll go end down in the lobby now. I think I've shown off enough of the camera on this phone. Going down. No one here. Go ahead and watch the numbers on the way down this time. Pretty typical impulse, but still pretty nice. Alright, we're on 3 now. Coming down?
No, I'm going up, but
Alright.
I'm gonna go down.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going down.
Oh, wait, we going down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna go up.
This have a good one.
That one for the piece of the whole thing.
Alright, go ahead and watch it go up. The other one's working again. Yeah, I'll let you watch him go up.
Alright. We're gonna have to do it.
Very cool elevators. Look at this atrium. Look at this fountain. Very cool. Very cool. And then you can see the elevators up there. The wide angle lens is in a weird spot. There goes the elevator. Very cool. All right, well, that concludes the video sample of the iPhone 17. That'll be it.